Okay, so hello. Today I would like to take you through some practical aspects of marketing that can be. Sorry, I will mute myself here. Sorry. So today I will take you through some practical aspects of marketing that can be applied to influence consumer behavior through emotional appeals and lead them toward approaching a product. So we will talk about four main pillars being store design, marketing messages, product packaging, and advertising. So let's start with the store design. A well-designed store layout should feel like it's open and inviting, and guiding customers naturally through the space, which will then encourage exploration and then increase the chances of a product to be discovered. Then there should also be clear signage and wayfinding because they're very important or crucial to make it easy for customers to find their what they're looking for. So, for instance, we can think of the strategic placement of tempting items like chocolate or chocolate bars and magazines near the checkout. This will then potentially encourage last-minute purchases. Okay, now let's talk about the lighting. Well-designed lighting should highlight key areas and products. This will then create focal points for the shoppers to focus on. So retailers or restaurateurs should consider adjustable lighting that will create different atmospheres for various sections of the store, or it can also apply to a restaurant. So you can picture or see here bright spotlights on a specific featured product in an electronic store. Here in this case, I just pasted the lighting on top of an iPhone to make the client focus on it, the customer. And alternatively, we can also think about a store's lighting being lowered in the evening, or for example, at fine dining restaurants to create a more romantic atmosphere. Now, music and ambience also play a significant role, so it is important to carefully choose music or soundscapes to match a brand's identity that will then resonate with the target audience. So seasonal or event-specific decor and ambience changes and keeps the store fresh and also exciting. We can imagine, for example, a soothing spa in a wellness or in a beauty store that will create a tranquil environment for its customers. Or, for example, like we can see here, the Rolex example that switches their decor to a cheerful holiday music and decor for the festive season to boost the shopper's spirits, let's say. Then we also have product placement that is important in store design. Strategic product placement is key. Placing products at eye level or in high traffic areas can also increase visibility. Cross-merchandising complementary products and can also encourage add-on purchases. And then we can also picture an end of aisle display in a supermarket that will feature very popular or seasonal items and increase then the likelihood of spontaneous purchases. Here we also have the example of a clothing store displaying coordinated outfits that will then inspire shoppers to purchase add-ons or to complete their wardrobes. Now let's talk about marketing messages. Emotional appeals are very powerful in marketing. Craft compelling brand stories that evoke emotions, resonate with consumers. So to use storytelling in advertisement to create a connection and build brand loyalty can be very useful. We can think of Tom's Shoes 1-for-1 campaign that shares stories of how each purchase can help provide a pair of shoes for children in need. Or also the Nike's Dream Crazy campaign, narrated by Colin Kaepernick, and that inspires consumers by addressing social issues and personal dreams. So leveraging user-generated content is also another strategy. Showcase real customer experiences and emotions on social media. Encourage customers to share their own stories related to the product or brand. Can be also a way to leverage user-generated content. So, for example, the Coca-Cola's Share a Coke campaign is encouraging consumers to share photos with personalized Coke bottles with their names or sometimes with a quote, and can create a sense of connection with the brand. There's also the example of GoPro's user-generated videos, where they share thrilling adventure videos and promote the brand's action cameras. Then personalization is about customizing marketing messages based on individual preferences and behaviors. So tailor content to speak directly to the consumer's needs and desires. Here we have the example of Amazon providing personalized product recommendations based on a user's browsing or purchase history. Or we have also the Spotify creating personalized playlists for users based on their music preferences, listening history, or listening habits. So then displaying positive reviews and ratings can also build trust and show that others have had a positive experience with a certain brand. Using endorsements and testimonials from influencers or experts in the field create also credibility. We can think about Amazon's product reviews with star ratings and insights from previous customers, or the Dove's Real Beauty campaign that showcases real women with diverse body types, promoting authenticity and self-acceptance. Then visual appeal is crucial. So striking and eye-catching designs should stand out on the shelves and draw attention. The use of colors, graphics, and images should convey the product's benefits or unique features. We can here see the Apple's sleek and minimalistic packaging design that is conveying a sense of elegance and innovation. Or here, the vibrant and colorful M&M's packaging that will appeal to a very wide audience, in this case, supporting women, flipping the status quo. Flipped M&M's. Okay. Then clear and concise product information should also highlight key selling points. So structured packaging should guide consumers very easily to find important details. For example, we have the clear and concise information about the number of packs and the number of cookies. In the Oreo cookie packagings, on the back is also the nutritional details information. Environmentally friendly packaging designs can also appeal to conscious consumers. It is currently a growing trend, I would say. Messaging highlighting sustainable practices and materials used in the packaging is also essential. So we can consider the Lush Cosmetics naked packaging, which is minimalistic. There's literally no packaging, so also plastic free and aligning with eco-conscious consumers. Or we can also think about the Patagonia's commitment to using recycled and environmentally responsible materials in their clothing packaging. Then packaging with interactive elements like QR codes for additional product information or augmented reality features can also provide very engaging experiences. So for example, the Lay's potato chip bags have QR codes for consumers to be able to submit any ideas they have about new flavors, and this engages them into product innovation. Then we can also see some children's toy with augmented reality features sometimes, or providing any type of interactive experience that might also attract the consumer to approach the product. And yeah. Let's talk about advertising. So in advertising, emotional storytelling is a very powerful tool. Craft emotionally resonant narratives can connect with viewers. The use also of relatable characters or situations to elicit empathy and engagement are also a type of advertising that will create emotional appeals. We can think about Google's You're in Search ad. This ad features emotional but also heartwarming stories from the past year, connecting with a global wide audience. Or we can also consider Budweiser's Super Bowl ads, which feature the Clydesdale horses, evoking nostalgia and emotion. Okay, now clear and compelling calls to action prompt consumers to take specific steps, such as buy now or learn more. Limited time offers and promotions create a sense of urgency. So we can, for example, take the Amazon's one-click purchase button that makes it incredibly easy for users to make a purchase. Or the Red Bull Gives You Wings campaign that encourages consumers to take action and try the product. Finally, high-quality visuals, including images and videos, should showcase the product's features and benefits. Aesthetic consistency with the brand's identity is also crucial for immediate recognition. We can think of the Dior's visually stunning and elegant perfume advertisements that highlight the product's allure or luxury. And we can also consider Volkswagen's Super Bowl advertisement that features a mini Darth Vader and captures attention with this visually memorable appeal. So by incorporating all of these ideas and techniques into store design, marketing messages, product packaging, and advertising, marketers or retailers can effectively influence consumers in a positive way, of course, to attract their attention and encourage them to approach and engage with products. So this will be all for me. Thank you for your attention, and do not hesitate to contact me, if you have any questions or feedback or remarks. Thank you very much.